This is Manuel for you, and welcome to Manuel Graphics. I want to show you a nice design and how to create it in Photoshop. So let's get started. I want to show you a simple way to do this smoothie flyer. Okay, so I have all the images I will need over here in Photoshop. Okay, so let's get started. You create your document, set my document size to A4, and then you set some guides to make the arrangement very nice and not that crowded. Okay, so this is our working space that we'll be using for the work. So we want to start by creating or adding the elements. We want to start by adding the text. We are going to use a white background. So we have manual, and then let's change the font type to Sweet Sensation. Okay, change the font type to Sweet Sensation. Okay, so you have the manual here. Change the fill to red. We'll be adding ingredients later. So we change the color to make this one visible a bit on the white background. And then you hold Alt or Option and then drag to duplicate the layer. And then you press T for the text tool. And then Control or Command A to select all. And then we change this one to Smoothie. To Smoothies. So you select all these and then come to this, the all caps, and then press on it so that you would make them small letters. Okay, so we have our smoothies here. Let's increase it a bit so that the manual can sit well in the smoothies. Increase it a bit. Okay, I think this one looks good. It looks good. And then you center it. And then one thing I want to share with you is that whatever you are doing, your arrangement is very necessary. Okay, the arrangement is very necessary. You're designing or working space is just like your living room, so you have to arrange things very nicely on your document or working space to make the design appealing. Okay, so let's go on with whatever we are doing. So we have our drinks here, so you just drag and then drop it over here. Okay, so you hold Shift and then Alt or Option depending on the computer you are using, and then increase the size and then double click. I want to decrease this one a bit. Okay, yeah, this looks good. Then move it up a bit. Sure, I think this one is okay. This one looks good. And then we bring in this our shapes, bring them here. So that they will not be calling for attention like that. So you want to add some gradients to the text. So you could either go to your layers panel, double click the side of the layer, or could go to layer and go to layer style, go to blending options. So you have the options over here. So I want to add a gradient overlay of red, a gradient of red. So let's see how this one looks. We change the reverse, and I think this one looks a bit darker. Okay, so let's come up a bit. Sure. And then let's intensify this red a bit. Okay, I think this one looks good. And let's slide that bit to the middle. Okay, so you can save this one so that you apply that same effect to the other text, and then we add a stroke to it, because I think it's white so we can see it. So let's change the color to something like pink. Okay, and then change the blending mode to normal if yours is not normal. So here is the effect that we have over here on the smoothies. So you can hold Alt or Option and then drag the stroke effect onto the manual, and then also Alt or Option and then drag the gradient onto the manual. So we have the manual smoothies done over here. Okay, so you want to add something spicy to the heading or whatever the title or the company's name. So maybe this offer is until May. So you select all, Command or Control A, and then change the font to Montserrat. I really love this font. I love using this font. Okay, and then decrease the size, move it a bit beneath the text we have over there. So just click the eye, the visibility. Okay, click on the visibility and then change it from all caps. Okay, so I think this one looks good. Or maybe we can make it we can increase or change the first letters to capital letters. So highlight, go to the all caps and then change the each first letter to a capital letter. Okay, so we want to create the shape besides the drink. So you go to your shape to which the shortcut is U, and then click and drag to get your shape. We also want to change the fill over here. Double click the properties and then change it to red. Okay, but I want to use the colors I've used for the manual. So click I for the eyedropper and then select the red that you think would be good. So I didn't select. Okay, I've selected the shape now. Ooh. Okay, yeah, let me just that's good. That looks good. Now I've been able to select the red that I think is good. And in designing too, your colors also count very much, because you need to harmonize your colors. The colors must not be that conflicting. It's like they are at war, because you have to get that harmony in your work to make the work appealing. Okay, so we want to add some subtitles to the work. Want to add some subtitles. So yes, some subtitles that we want to add. Let me uncheck the all caps. Okay, so smoothie So smoothie. Okay, so smoothie plus free burger. Smoothie plus free burger. So Control A or Command A to select. So you go to the character panel and then adjust the font over there. Go to your character panel. Want to increase this a bit so that it feels, and then use flash left to align it, decrease this shape bit. Okay, and then I want to broaden this one so that it will call for more attention on the poster. I want it to dominate on the poster, on the flyer, sorry. So I will increase it and then make it italic or slanted, whatever you call it. Then I'll go to the polygon tool and then choose a 3-sided polygon. Okay, so this is my 3-sided polygon. 3-sided polygon. Just shrink it a bit. Add it to your shape that you have over there. So this is what we are going to get when we add it to the shape over there. So we select these two shapes. Sorry, select these two shapes, or you can just drag over the two. Oops. And deselect this one by holding shift. Okay, so you hold Command or Control and then press E to merge these two layers. To make these two layers. Okay, so we want to bring in our burger. So drag your burger and drop it here. And since we are using a white background, I don't think there will be the need to crop the background behind the burger. So just hold Control and then press the bracket key, the left one on your PC or Command. Just shrink it a bit so that you can have proportion in your work. Okay, so I think this looks good. Let's bring this one up a bit and then let's add more blurbs to it, or you can call it subtitles. So maybe no sugar, and then healthy, smoothie, and what again, and then 100% natural. Okay, so select or use flash left and then hold Alt or Option and then press the down key arrow to increase the spacing between them. Okay, so this is what we have, and we want to create the shape that will give us the price. So go to your shape tool, right click, go to the ellipse tool, hold shift and then drag. So this is what we have over here, okay, for the pricing. So for consistency's sake, consistency's sake, you go to your smoothie, hold Alt for option, and then drag the gradient effect and then drop it on the ellipse. So this is the gradient that we have over here, and we can put our pricing on it. So we create some dots or shapes around it to make the pricing interesting. So you can click on the ellipse, Control or Command J to duplicate, and then hold Shift and Auto option on your keyboard to increase it proportionally. Okay, so we want to add some shapes to T for the text tool, and then you can add some dots that would go round the ellipse. So you have your shapes right now, and we don't need this shape over there. So you click on the ellipse, go to the opacity, and decrease everything. So here we have our dots around the ellipse. So you click on it and then shrink it a bit. I think this one looks good. Okay, so you want to add something to your ellipse, and I'll go back and then go for these shapes again, and then drag them and then drop them on my price tag and price sheet. So you want to add the pricing, and can auto option and then put it on the smoothie plus free burger thing, and then drag it to where you want to put the price. So Control or Command and then the bracket the right one so that it will come up. So you want to set your price over here. Since dollar is more familiar in this world, so we can use the dollar currency. Okay, you can use the dollar currency. So I think this is our pricing here. And you want to change this to a currency symbol. So what you do is you go to Windows, go to Glaze. Okay, go to Glaze, and then you go to currency. Okay, go to currency. So you give you the dollar sign. So you select your text, double click the dollar sign, and then here we go. So you delete one, and then decrease the size of the dollar sign too. And I want to change this font to big noodle. Okay, changing it to big noodle. I think it suits the pricing. So you change it to big noodle. Remove the italic effect from it, and I want to make it $3. So Alt and Option T, and then a dot first. So $3.50. Okay, so this is our flyer. We are almost done. So we want to add some more details in case people want to order or something to like whet the appetite of the people. So still with colors, want to use the green color over here on the shape. Want want a darker green. Sure, I think this looks good. This looks very good. And then alt or option and then drag the font. This font, we're going to change the font. Okay, so want to add something, so something like order now, because it's a promotional flyer. And increase the size of the font a bit. Okay, so we want to add a telephone number to use that same color over there, the eyedropper. So +3 4 5 6 7 8 9. But you can use a real telephone number if you are using it for your company or designing it for somebody. Okay, so I think we have our flyer almost done, and we want to add some different flavors. I have some different flavors over here, which is the kiwi and the banana. Okay, so we select all these, and then alt or option, and then drag them down, and then hold the shift key and then decrease the size. Okay, decrease the size of it so that you will show the different flavors. Okay, so you want to bring one of the flavors in. You want to bring the banana flavor in, and then hold shift and alt or option and then scale it down. Okay, so this is what we have over here. You want to select all and bring it down a bit, scale it down a bit. Okay, I think this one looks good. So alt or option and then copy it, and then click on this one, delete, bring the other flavor too. Okay, so auto option and then shrink it down. Okay, so this is what we have over here. Let me increase this shape a bit for the sake of arrangement. Okay, so I think we are almost done here, and then you can create a dummy text. Maybe in that section you could add anything that you want to add, maybe information about your company. Hope you get me. Information about your company, what you do, the time you open. This is our flyer, and I think it's good to go for anything you want to use it for. Good to go. It's good to go. Just select and move it up a bit. It looks crowded beneath, and move this one to up a bit. Okay, move them up a bit, and we want to add some shadow to the glass. It looks a bit unreal, so select the ellipse tool, click and drag to form something like a sphere, and then change the fill to black. Okay, so control or command and then the bracket key, the left one. Okay, so you want to add a blur, so you go to filter, go to blur, and go to Gaussian blur. Okay, so you could rasterize the object. I think the blur is too much. think this one looks okay, but you have to shrink it a bit and then pull it up. Sure, I think this one looks way better. So this is our Smoothies Flyer. Okay, so when you are done, you can remove all the rulers. Okay, so this is our Smoothies Flyer. I think it looks good, so you can save it on desktop with the name Smoothie Flyer. Photoshop command. After you are done, you can also save it as JPEG. Increase the quality for better output. So here we go. This is our Smoothie Flyer. Thanks for watching. I want you to subscribe and like my channel for more compelling designs than this. Thank you and stay blessed. Bye bye.